People talk about accountability and government all the time, but what does that actually mean? Most people think it means a politician answering emails, returning phone calls, or posting updates on social media. That's not really accountability. Real accountability is about oversight. In Prince George's County, the County Council has the responsibility to oversee agencies, review how contracts are awarded, look into spending when something doesn't add up, and follow where taxpayer dollars are actually going. It means asking questions, it means demanding answers, and it means making sure the public is getting what it paid for. That kind of oversight matters because when nobody is watching, waste and mismanagement have room to grow. And I've been involved in that kind of work here in Prince George's County already. And later this week, I'll talk a little more about what that has looked like behind the scenes. But the bottom line is simple. If we want better government, we have to expect real accountability from the people in charge.